this is, I'm going to show you how this works. I got sensors for the garage doors. When the big ones open up, if I leave them open, it'll let me know. When they come open, it'll alert me. And then if I want to check, make sure they're open or shut at nighttime, I can hit a button and it'll also tell me that the door is either open or shut, which should be shut because I'm in bed. So here's the sensors for your ring. I'm working on the ring thing still. One thing you wanted to remember is on these, each one of these sensors has its own little code on the back of there. So, and then you follow the instructions on that. It ain't difficult at all. The difficult part is trying to name it. So when my garage door opens, or any door, or any window, you want to have it come on and say, hey, kitchen door was opened. Well, Ring don't provide that. You can't do it with Ring. It'll tweet. It's got about 4 different noises it can make, and that's it. So what you want to do is you want to go on your Alexa app, hook all this together with your Alexa app, and then it will in turn tell you that it will speak to you and tell you about your doors or your windows or whatever. But the Ring will give you a chirp. It'll know something's on, but you don't know where it's on. I think that's not handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this hinge, because we're going to put it on a door. And I got this off the internet. I don't know the guy's name, but it's a clever idea. And I had a whole box of these hinges. You want to make sure you get a hinge that it's loose. I had a couple of them that were still tight. You want a loose one. Now what you're going to do, you see that's laying flat on there. You're going to turn that over and put sticky tape or Velcro on the back of here. I'm going to do that, then I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see, I use double-faced tape. I got some really good stuff here that my friend Terry Eiler gave me. He used to work in the window business. That stuff is sticky. So now I just pull off these little pieces like this, and it's ready to stick on the wall. But before you mount all this, you want to go through the installation app on this. So that'll go against the garage door. Then this little piece down here will go on right here. I'll show you that now. Okay, I didn't mount it on there yet because I got to activate it. I got to activate it, then I got to go on the Alexa app and name it. Because this one will be named Jeep Door for that. And I can change that Jeep Door anytime I want. The name of it, you just go in and change the name. But Jeep, what we call it is the Jeep Door. We call this one over here the Dodge Door. So that's what they'll be named, so I know which door is open. Every one of our doors, including this one here, has these alarms on them. I can be 800 miles away, 1,000 miles. I can be over here and know that somebody opened my door here, and so will the police department because it's hooked to them. And the fire department, everybody will show up and they'll kick your ass if you're in here. But this one kept falling off. I don't know what the deal was. I wouldn't stick to that. I cleaned it, but it's just too rough, I guess. So I just rathatized it. That's it. Rathatized it. Put a little bit of tape on there. What is it called? Gorilla tape. That stuff will hold it. Anyway, let's get back to here. Now then, I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to name that thing. Then I'm going to go stick it on. I wanted to show you this. Got to push the button here in my truck to open the door. You see that little device I made right there? I just showed you that. Now it just sent me an alarm that this door is open.
Dodge door has opened.
You see how that hangs down there like that? It breaks the contact. Whoops, there we go. That's how you can put these on your garage door. Now then, I'm going to hang on with me because I got to walk backwards and try to aim that at the door and hit the door, and then you just hit your button again. Down it comes. See if we can get a close-up of it. All that does is swings right down and lines up, and then my alert will say, hey, the door's closed. In case you leave it open at night, you check your stuff, and there it is. Now, I think this could have came out a little bit, but it says as long as it's close, that close, it'll work, and it is. So, if it don't, I'll just tear this loose and move it out a little bit. But there you go. That's how that works.
Jeep door has opened.
Okay, we've got it installed. You seen that one over there? Dodge is installed and the Jeep is installed. All that does is comes up. When it comes up, the hinge goes apart, and then that breaks the contact there, and that's all you need. So that's a pretty handy device, and you just stick it on there so you're not drilling any holes in anything. And so that's got that. Now we got some others we're going to put up. You know, I got a bunch of this stuff thanks to all of you guys out there that helped me out and sent me some of this stuff. We still got these things here, and I don't know why, but I can't get these to hook up. I don't know. It says something about it needs to be 2.4 megahertz. I have that, but it don't want to hook up. And we still got our motion detectors. Now I'm going to put one of them in the bully barn when it gets here. Bully barn is just a big lawnmower shed, very big. That's all it is. Some of you do. That's what they call some of the brands. This one is not that brand. By now you've seen that. That's where one of these is going to go, and one of them may go inside the dog door so we can know when that little feller right there, that little feller, where you going, Hank? Where are you going? Hey, did you see any squirrels today? Was there squirrels out there? Yeah, you missed them. Anyway, we might put it inside his dog door, and then we know what's coming in and out. If he's laying beside me and that door opens up, and that means there's a skunk a-coming. So anyway, that's it for this, guys. The ring security is done. Well, you ready to go in the house? It's cold out here today, Hank. Let's go. You ready?